Hey everyone, COE33 here. Welcome to the Watch Closet. Hope everyone's doing well. Okay, guys, old-fashioned update video. What's going on here? No fancy intro, no unboxing, no review, just a old-fashioned update. Okay, now before we do that though, we gotta do a wristwatch check because you gotta have one of those. I'm wearing that Casio solar-powered watch that I just got on clearance for less than $10, $9.50 for a solar-powered Casio with an awesome dial. Score. All right, Cuckoo for watches. So I started this channel less than a year ago, and it's had some nice steady growth. We're a little over 400 subs right now, so that's awesome. And I love interacting with you guys, and especially watching other content creators in the watch space. There's so many great channels that I've discovered through this channel. I mean, Wes's Watch Room, and Watching James, and Watch Sixto, and Blue Collar Watches, and Time for Another Watch, and list goes on and on and on. I know I'm missing a bunch, but really enjoy all the other channels in the YouTube space. Super cool stuff. And I love making content. But guys, I have, see, 2 YouTube channels, a Twitch stream, a full-time job, and a family. And the last few months, I've been feeling the stress, the pressure of too much on my plate. And you guys know how this is. You're all busy out there, I'm sure. You got lots of things going on. So I was looking at my schedule. I'm thinking, okay, I got to free up some extra time. Where am I going to do that? And it's not easy because, like, I have one YouTube channel I've had for 6 years. I can't mess with that schedule. It's been like that forever. I've got my Twitch stream where I stream every Tuesday and Thursday, and I've had that going for a long time now. I don't want to mess with that. Cuckoo for watches, I love it. I've had this going for less than a year, so it is the new kid on the block. I'm like, well, what do I do? Am I going to get rid of Cuckoo for watches? And that just didn't feel right. That's sad because I like sharing watch content with you guys, and I don't want it to go away. But what I am going to do, guys, is that schedule that I have of a new Cuckoo for watches video every Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, that's going away. So moving forward, the channel's not dead by any means. I'm going to share content. So when I get a watch in that I buy to add to my collection, I'm going to share that with you guys. When I have a piece of content that I want to create, I'm going to put probably even more little TLC in it because I'm not going to have that schedule, that deadline looming over my head. And I'm going to release that video when it's ready to be released. So if anything, I hope this is a positive change for the channel. Please know I'm still making content. I just don't have a schedule. It'll hit when it hits. It'll show up on the feed when it's done. So probably not ideal because it is good to have a schedule, but I have to make this change. There's just no way around it. I bit off more than I can chew, and I need to free up a little time. And like this week is a good example of that. I'm thinking, boy, what am I gonna do for Cuckoo for watches? And I just don't know. And I'm thinking, yeah, that's not good. It's Friday. I'm filming this on Friday to get this out to you ASAP. And yeah, that's not conducive to good quality content. And I want to make quality content for you guys. So that's the update. And I just want to thank everyone for subbing to the channel, for leaving your awesome comments. Super cool interacting with y'all. And yeah, so many cool watch content creators out there that I've enjoyed interacting with as well. And I look forward to continuing that. So thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more content coming soon. And until next time, keep your watches wound and your sapphires polished.